Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to use Rave app with a web browser. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So for the clarification of this video, Rave is not actually a website that you can open or use through a website or any browser. So you actually need to download it into your device, whatever device that you are using, into your Android device, iOS device, into your Mac or Windows PC. So in this video, instead of showing you on how you can use the Rave app with a web browser, I am going to show you in how you can add a web browser into your Rave app that is downloaded into your device. So if you want to know how you can do that, just continue watching this video. So the first step that you need to do is to open the Rave app and start a new Rave by tapping onto the plus icon in the bottom right. And you will see a list of available search engines and sites. And now you will see a Google search bar where you can search for videos or just browse the internet. So Rave Web doesn't work with every video. So if a video can be displayed in a Rave, a pop-up will appear. So Rave Web experience is quite limited to search engine and sites represented on the tab. So if you want to watch a film on Rave, which is not on YouTube, Netflix, or any other included network, it won't be possible. So in fact, there's no web browser in the Rave app, so it is just a Google search. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.